main idea of ENERCOP is to put the citizen in the heart of the electricity system. Again, in France, like in other countries, the electricity system is quite centralized. The democracy is not really there. The decisions are being made without putting the citizen in the choice, and that's the idea of ENERCOP. Three main objectives: to provide 100% renewable energy, to focus on energy efficiency, and to help citizens being part of the project. How we make that? Just a short description of how electricity system is working in France. You have electricity consumers at one stage, electricity providers in the middle, and you have Enedis, which is a 100% state-owned company that distributes the energy. So more or less, when you want to change your electricity provider in France, it's just a contractual link you have with your provider. There's no physical operations like changing cable, changing your equipment. We are working with more than 100 producers in France, and that's a specificity of ENERCOP. We buy directly our electricity to providers which are members of the cooperative, and I will tell that ENERCOP is a cooperative. We buy directly to the producers and we sell directly to the consumers. There's a difference between the other providers, electricity suppliers. They buy electricity on the market and they try to find the less expensive electricity and to buy it with the maximum profit to their customers. We have a direct link in between the producers and the consumers. Today, ENERCOP is a very small project. We have 50,000 customers. Just to know what it means, in France, you have 35 million of customers of electricity, so we are really a small player. We have 27,000 members. It means what? It means that we are a cooperative, so we don't have shareholders that are there to maximize the profit. We have members, they own the cooperative, and the cooperative belongs to all the members, whether they are producers, consumers, partners, cities that are part of the project. 150 employees, and amongst the 50,000 customers, we have 5,000 businesses. We are a cooperative. What does it mean, cooperative? I already said that. You are a member of a cooperative. The cooperative belongs to you. We are not there to maximize the profit, and when we make profit, we reinvest it in the project. We reinvest it to buy electricity to the producer, to help them grow, and that's the idea of ENERCOP. We are there to provide electricity, but to help energy transition. Each member has a voice in the decision of the cooperatives, so whether you take one part of 100 euro or you take 1,000 parts, you have exactly the same weight in the decision process. And all the strategical decisions of the cooperatives are being settled and decided by all the members. The idea of ENERCOP also is to create a short circuit of the energy. So when we created ENERCOP 10 years ago, there was one cooperative. Now it's a network of 10 cooperatives, and soon 15, and soon 20. And the idea is that in each region, let's take, for example, Aquitaine, there's a direct link in between the producers and the consumers. The idea is that whether you are in Aquitaine or in Ardennes-Champagne, the climate is not the same, the conditions are not the same, so you don't produce with the same technologies, for instance, and the means are not the same. When you are in the north of France, you may need a specific energy use, for instance, in winter, and when you are in the south, you may need specific use, for example, in spring and comment on dit l'été? Je me souviens plus, tiens. Summer, voilà. So this is the idea of ENERCOP, to localize the stakes of the energy direct to the producers and the consumers. Energy is based also on a scenario, which is a negawatt scenario. I don't know if you are aware of that, but negawatt scenario claims that in 2050, it's possible in France to have 100% of full renewable energy in production and in consumption. How you manage to achieve that? First, in producing renewable energy. Second, to have a rational use of energy. And third, with efficiency. And we know already that the best energy is the one you don't consume. So there's a huge to-do in France, like in every other country, to bring efficiency in buildings, home, and whatever. And second, to have a rational use of energy, meaning there's a lot of energy use we have at the moment that we can skip. Today, we are working with, we are thinking about producing projects. So we work together with developers, with production projects, and we help them to sort out their project. This is wind project, this is solar project, this is hydro projects. We are doing that ourselves, and we are doing that with a structure that we co-created with other partners, which name is Énergie Partagée Investissement. And the idea is always the same, is that the citizen can act, can give sense to his consumption of energy by buying electricity to Enercop, and he can give a sense to his decision on a day-to-day basis in investing in energy-producing projects. And to finish, just saying that we are part of a federation, European federation, that is all over Europe, and we are a lot of cooperatives working together to mutualize means, to mutualize projects, to make sure that the citizen force and strength is being recognized and can develop. I mentioned that because in France, it's not highly developed. In Germany, in other countries, even in England, you have huge cooperatives, huge citizen cooperatives that own directly either the supplying project or developing project or even distribution loops. And that's really something we want to develop in France. Just to say that in France, you have major and huge players like EDF, Engie, Total, Direct Energy, and others. And we want to develop this citizen-focused kind of association and kind of development of projects.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.